Hey guys, quick question. Have you ever allowed your worst mistake to define who you are? Peter could have. I mean, after all, he denied Jesus 3 times. Imagine the guilt he carried every time he remembered that night. But Jesus never looked at Peter and thought, this is the guy who denied me. Jesus looked at Peter and thought, this is the guy I'm going to restore and use again. 2 Corinthians 5:17 tells us that if anyone is in Christ, he's a new creature. The old things have passed away, and behold, all things have become new. Your past may describe something you did, but it doesn't describe who you are. If you've been forgiven in Christ, don't continue to wear a label that Jesus has removed. You can learn from your past, but you don't have to live there. I appreciate you watching this video, and if you want to watch the full teaching on Peter's restoration, I'll put a link here in this video. And as always, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and keep on keeping on for God. God bless. Have a great day.